What is the capacitance of a CCD pixel if it has 0.014 volts on it? That's 14. Is that 14 millivolts? When it has a charge of 2.13 times 10 to the minus 15th coulombs. So let's see. Q is, wait, no. C is Q over V. I think we just used the definition of capacitance, right? Okay, so it's 2.13 times 10 to the minus 15th coulombs divided by 0.014 volts. Okay, I think I've got this, 2.13. These are pretty basic problems, right? The trick is understanding what it means. Let's see, so we divide how much charge we store by how hard we have to push the charge into it. And I'm getting that it is 1.52 times 10 to the minus 13th farads, which is 0.152 times 10 to the minus 12th farads, which is 0.152 picofarads. All right. Yeah, this is fun. By the way, if you just leave the answer like this, I'm happy. Just that capacitors tend to be rated in picofarads, so there you have it.